I'm delighted to say that Oracle's technology is having an extremely positive impact at Airbus. Let me explain the background to our partnership. The aviation industry is being transformed by a rising global demand for air travel. The pace of change is just extraordinary. The worldwide passenger aircraft fleet is likely to double in size over the next 2 decades, creating demand for more than 30,000 new aircraft. But meeting this demand is putting pressure on our production system. An example is the flight test programs we run for aircraft before they begin commercial operations. Certifying a new passenger aircraft is a complex and very rigorous process. Take our new A320neo single-aisle aircraft, the best aircraft in this category in the world. Over the past year, a team of test pilots have flown the A320neo for hundreds of hours in Europe, South America, and the Middle East. They have tested the aircraft at high altitude and in extreme temperatures. But our flight test teams are now performing many more such tests than a few years ago, as we increase production at Airbus. Meanwhile, aircraft technology is also becoming more complex, asking for more data. Each flight test generates several hundreds of thousands of parameters. I'm delighted to say that Oracle's big data analysis is helping us addressing this challenge. For the past 3 years, we've been working with Oracle on the A320neo. And thanks to Oracle's big data appliance, our test team can now handle a larger volume of flight data than before. And that data is available for analysis much more quickly. As a result, our team can now solve problems in a few hours that previously probably took several days, and we are able to manage an intensive flight test campaign for the A320neo. Before I finish, I should also say how pleased I am that Airbus is the official innovation partner of the Oracle Team USA for the America's Cup in 2017. It's a really exciting project for everybody at Airbus, and one that reflects our shared passion for innovation and engineering. I wish you all a great open world event.